From the battlefields of WWII to the rugged trails of the great outdoors, Jeep has carved a path through automotive history with its durable and distinctive vehicles. But beyond the well-loved Wranglers and Grand Cherokees, there exists a trove of rare gems that are the dreams of collectors and enthusiasts alike. Take a journey back to the 50s and 60s, where Jeep, then Willys Motors, reigned supreme in the cab-over industry. The Jeep Forward Control 150 emerged in 1956, boasting a spacious bed, a powerful front engine, and the iconic four-wheel drive. Its unique, curvy front-end styling turned heads, but by 1965, production ceased, making the FC 150 a rare find today, often fetching over $40,000. Then there's the Jeep Wrangler YJ Rio Grande, a collector's favorite for its unique color palette, including mango, gold green, and aqua. Released in 1995 with a canvas soft top and a 5-speed manual transmission, it's a testament to the 4-cylinder Wrangler's off-road prowess. But with only one release year, the YJ Rio Grande is a treasure hunt on the second-hand market. Lastly, the Jeep CJ8 Scrambler, a vehicle that didn't quite capture hearts upon its 1981 debut, but now commands respect and a hefty price tag for its dependability and rugged charm. Even President Ronald Reagan owned one, ferrying dignitaries around his ranch. With its limited 5-year production run, the Scrambler is a true rarity among Jeep's storied lineup. As Jeep continues to innovate, especially with its upcoming electric vehicles, these rare and interesting models remind us of the brand's legacy of creating vehicles that are as unique as they are capable.